Now in this video we will learn about seasons. We experience different 4 kinds of season: summer season, rainy season, autumn and winter season. Let's learn about the winter season. The winter season starts from December to February and sometime it continues to the middle of March also. In winter season, the days are shorter and the nights are longer. In many parts of India, especially in the mountain ranges, we experience heavy snowfall in this season. People prefer to wear warm and woolen clothes like scarf, jackets, gloves, sweaters, etc. They prefer hot drinks like tea, coffee, soup, etc. The next is hot weather season, which is also known as summer season. We experience summer season in the month of April, May and June. In summer season, the days are longer and the nights are shorter. At this time, the sun is overhead and it is a period of increasing temperature. Also, the hot and dry winds blow during summer, which is called लू. गर्मियों में जो गर्म हवा चलती है उसे हम लू कहते हैं. यू मस्ट हैव हर्ड फ्रॉम योर पेरेंट्स कि बच्चों बाहर मत जाओ, गर्मी में लू चल रही होगी. सो द हॉट विंड, it is known as लू, which blow during summers. People prefer water-based activities like swimming and prefer to eat ice cream and cold drinks during summer to keep their body cool. The next is rainy season or monsoon. The rainy season starts immediately after the summer season. There is a heavy rainfall in many parts of the country. We experience rainy season in mid-June to September. Now you must be thinking कि बारिश होती कैसे है. Nowadays कौन सा सीज़न चल रहा है बच्चों? It is a rainy season. So अचानक से बादल आ जाते हैं और बारिश हो जाती है. How does it happen? Let's understand this process. The monsoon winds blow from sea to land and bring heavy clouds and thus give heavy rainfall. Means जो monsoon winds होती हैं वो sea से land की तरफ आती हैं and with them they carry moisture. Moisture laden winds होती हैं and which is the reason of heavy rainfall. Let's understand it more clearly. Children, there are 2 branches of monsoon winds. As you can see in the picture, this is the map of India and we know that the India, it is surrounded by water bodies from the 3 sides. So, the Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal, they are the water bodies. From here, the wind blow. The arrows are showing the direction of the wind. यहाँ से wind blow करती हैं sea से land की तरफ. And with them, they carry the moisture, which causes heavy rainfall in many parts of India. There is a place by the name of Mizoram in Meghalaya which receive the maximum rainfall. सबसे ज़्यादा बारिश इस place पे होती है. And it is famous as it is the wettest place in the world. पूरी दुनिया में सबसे ज़्यादा wettest place है. But there are some regions like Rajasthan and Rann of Kutch, they get very little rainfall or no rainfall. ये हमने previous chapter में भी पढ़ा था that the Thar desert, they receive less rainfall and sometimes no rainfall at all even during the monsoon season. The next one is autumn or the season of retreating monsoon. Children, we experience this season from the month of October and in November. The monsoon winds move back from the mainlands of India. In this retreating monsoon, जो winds land की तरफ गई थी, now they return back from the mainlands. And this causes heavy rainfall in the southern part of India. This red portion in the map, it is reflecting the South India. So this region receive heavy rainfall during the autumn season, or we can say the season of retreating monsoon. जब monsoon winds, southwest monsoon winds वापस आती हैं, then it is known as the time of autumn, season of autumn or season of retreating monsoon. Now this was all about this chapter. I hope you have enjoyed this chapter. Now let me tell you an interesting fact. Do you know the word monsoon is taken from the Arabic word mausim, which means seasonal reversal of winds. जो monsoon वर्ड है वो अराबिक लैंग्वेज से लिया गया है, which means seasonal reversal of winds. As we have studied in this chapter, जो southwest monsoon winds होती हैं during the rainy season, they flow from sea to land, and during the season of retreating monsoon they return back from the mainlands. So ये cycle बनता है, it reverses, then फिर land से sea में, फिर sea से land में. So this is known as the season of reversal of winds. Have a nice day, children.